Hello and welcome to this video about the benefits of high-intensity interval training or HIIT for weight loss. HIIT is a type of workout that alternates between high-intensity exercise periods and rest periods. This style of workout is becoming increasingly popular due to its effectiveness in helping people burn fat and reach their fitness goals. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the benefits of HIIT for weight loss and provide a sample HIIT workout. Let's see benefits of HIIT for fat burn. HIIT is a great way to burn fat and get in shape. Here are some of the benefits of HIIT for weight loss. 1. Increased metabolic rate. HIIT can increase your metabolic rate for hours after your workout, allowing you to burn more calories even when you're not exercising. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. HIIT can improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 3. Boosts in hormone function. HIIT can boost hormone function, including the release of hormones such as growth hormone and testosterone, which can help build lean muscle mass and increase fat loss. 4. Increased endurance and strength. HIIT can improve endurance and strength, allowing you to push yourself harder during your workouts and reach your fitness goals more quickly. Sample HIIT workout. Now, let's take a look at a sample HIIT workout. 1. Warm-up. Start with a 5-minute warm-up to get your heart rate up and prepare your body for the workout ahead. 2. Intervals of high-intensity exercises. Perform 30 seconds of each of the following exercises, with a 10-second rest period between each exercise. Burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, squat jumps. 1. Rest periods. Take a 30-second rest period between each set of high-intensity exercises. 2. Cool down. Finish with a 5-minute cool down to gradually bring your heart rate down and prevent injury. HIIT is a great way to burn fat and reach your fitness goals. By alternating high-intensity exercise periods with rest periods, you can increase your metabolic rate, improve insulin sensitivity, boost hormone function, and increase endurance and strength. So, give this sample HIIT workout a try and see the benefits for yourself. Let's see how to incorporate HIIT into your fitness routine. First one, start slow and gradually increase intensity. Starting with high-intensity interval training can be intimidating, but it's important to start slow and gradually increase intensity. Begin with shorter intervals and a lower intensity, and then slowly increase the length and intensity of the intervals over time as you get more comfortable with the exercise. This will help you avoid injury and ensure that you are able to progress at a pace that works for you. Second one, mix HIIT with other forms of exercise. Incorporating HIIT into your fitness routine doesn't mean you need to do it exclusively. In fact, it's a good idea to mix HIIT with other forms of exercise such as strength training, cardio, and yoga. This will provide variety in your routine, help prevent boredom, and ensure that you are working different muscle groups and improving overall fitness. Third one, listen to your body and adjust as needed. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your HIIT routine as needed. If you feel pain or discomfort, it may be a sign that you need to slow down or adjust the intensity. Don't push yourself too hard, especially if you are just starting out. It's better to take it slow and make progress gradually, rather than risk injury. Now we move to the conclusion. Recap of the benefits of HIIT for fat burn. In conclusion, high-intensity interval training is an effective way to burn fat and improve fitness. It's efficient, challenging, and can be done in a variety of ways to suit your individual needs and preferences. Encouragement to give HIIT a try. So, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to get in shape, give HIIT a try. It can be a great addition to your fitness routine and help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember, start slow, mix it with other forms of exercise, and listen to your body. Hope you guys got some information about HIIT and join with for more weight loss information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our video. Thank you for joining.